everyone, I just wanted to tell you about this AQUASTRONG above ground pool filter. This is absolutely amazing. It has such a good filtration system. It pumps through 41 gallons of water a minute, so it's really powerful. Not crazy to have around kids or like pets or anything like that. It is extremely safe and it has a ton of different safeguards on it to ensure that. If you have an above ground pool, you know how hard they are to keep clean if you do not have a proper pump or filtration system. So we've absolutely loved this one. It does have a PSI meter on it, so you can make sure that it is not going too hard or too weak, and this will handle up to a 9,000 gallon pool. So that is around just a little bit bigger than like standard size. So it is amazing. It has a bunch of different settings, super easy to install. This only took us about, I don't know, like 20 minutes to put together and install. So if you are looking for something to really keep your pools crystal clear and looking so clean and nice this summer, I would 100% check into this one.